there's not a real big disruption within the payment industry. We're just making this industry more efficient and handle it in a better way. So also this year, there's not a real topic of disruption, but I think we are clearly heading in a direction of open APIs, open platforms into Internet of Things over the next years. But it's all building up in the same direction year over year, and that's where we're keeping. And we have to keep an eye on fraud, security, and all these kinds of other items as well. But that combination is the way we are going in the industry. Our focus within the new challenging consumer software experiences is mainly based on the open APIs, the new platforms, and really having the platform thought out there. Because the way you can change stuff is by combining the huge amount of data the industry has with new predictive modeling and interesting solutions to solve the issues with the big amounts. We at Payvision decided a couple of months ago to go into a new strategic direction and having a strategic partnership with ING Bank in a way that we have access to this huge amount of data and have the ability to do what we always wanted to do. Blockchain and crypto are definitely here in some way to stay. Bitcoin is around for over 10 years now. Everybody has thought that it was dead already 10 times in the past 10 years, but it kept on surviving because it's also there for a reason. Potentially we all don't know the reason ourselves yet. It moves from payment solutions to value storage, and it's going to move in certain directions. I think the only thing to get it really into a mature market is that it needs to really crash, like the 2002 internet bubble. After that, you will see good solid solutions in either Bitcoin, crypto, whatever happening, because the technology behind it, the blockchain technology, is that interesting. And if you look at the amount of attention the cryptos get from the new generations, there is a pretty big possibility that they are here to stay in some form or the other, but not in the current forms which they are in now. We will be better in predicting what's going to happen in the future, and we will act to it. That's what we will have on AI, but 90% of this industry doesn't know even the data on which to build the models yet. So first start to create a good insight in the data, then trying to model it, and then build the AI part. It's going step by step. We have taken a step to work together with an ING Bank, which gives us potentially access to way more data. And once we've got the real insights, we can optimize our modeling and can take it to the next steps. It's nice for gaming, for instance. It can be a really good gaming experience, but it's still very, very niche. It's not going to be big in the payment industry over the next couple of years. The Internet of Things will come forward from the current platform thought. Open APIs will slow, when that's really more sophisticated, it will also move into the Internet of Things, because the Internet of Things needs standards and needs a certain way of communication and how that is and what it is. It can be the current payment rails. It can be some form of crypto. There are many ways to act within the Internet of Things, but the market, from a payment perspective of Internet of Things, is going to take another couple of years, and that's totally fine because we're not in a hurry, and we are still building the optimized experience.